sunshine, baby, but your eyes are all cold, buried in my arms. And the breeze takes us deeper and further into the heart of the moment that is gone. Your blood run within me, and there are red flowers in your spit when you enter my mouth under the bed, down on the floor. So take me under the floorboards, I would love to feel like wood, and take me back to the retards, cause the world just make me sick. There are colors in the air when I fall to the ground. I would love to fall more often. And there's a band in our cellar, baby, and they're playing their song of the drums in the street. And I can hear when they're playing their love songs, cause the kids in the yard start playing with their toys. So take me under the schoolyard, there are kids there who got lost. Their mouths all shouting asphalt, their bodies torn apart. There are colors in the air when I fall to the ground. I can sense a world of heartache, but I love the sound of your hair when it falls down from the pillow late at night. On the brink of illusion is the devil in my eyes, waiting for the moment to kill me inside. Oh, we love to die more often. So take my hands, love, as it burst inside our minds. Oh, feel my hands, love, as I'm numb from the neck down. And there is fire, love, on the balcony right here. I can see our bodies burn, but sense no fear. And your mouth tastes like sunshine, baby, but your eyes are all cool, buried in my arms. And everything matters for a second as we fall to the floor. Da, 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 da.
Ooh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, you dare to. Oh why can't I? Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you dare to, why